a quick coffee on a rainy morning. Hi. Good morning, Sarah. It's a bit rainy today.
Hi, Mark. Yes, it is. You look a little wet.
I biked to work as usual, so I got some rain.
Really? You are brave to bike in this weather.
It's good exercise. I also grabbed a quick coffee.
Me too. This place has the best coffee.
I agree. Their espresso is always strong and good.
It helps me wake up properly in the morning.
So, are you ready for the big meeting today?
I think so. I prepared my part yesterday.
That's great. I am a little nervous about it.
Why are you nervous? You always do well.
Thanks. This project is just very important for us.
I understand. But we are a strong team.
You're right. Teamwork makes everything easier.
Exactly. We support each other very well.
By the way, you seem a little quiet this morning.
Oh, I'm just thinking about my presentation.
Are you sure? Is everything really okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
It's just unusual for you to be so quiet.
I just want to make sure my ideas are clear.
Your ideas are always very clear and helpful.
Thank you. That's nice to hear from you.
We have about 15 minutes before the meeting.
Perfect. Time to finish this delicious coffee.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I don't have any special plans yet.
Maybe you should rest after this big project.
That's a very good idea. I feel tired.
I plan to read a book and relax at home.
That sounds wonderful. I might do the same.
Sometimes a quiet weekend is the best thing.
I totally agree. No stress, no rush.
It helps to recharge your energy for next week.
Yes, a full recharge is what I need now.
All right, my cup is empty now. Shall we go?
Sure, let's go and do a great job.
I feel more confident after our talk.
Good. Let's show them our amazing work.
Thanks for the chat. It was nice.
You too, Mark. Let's head to the office.
Okay, after you. Let's walk together.
Sounds good. The rain has stopped now.
A rainy morning chat. Good morning, Sarah. A bit rainy today.
Hi, Alex. Yes, it's not great for walking.
I agree. I usually bike to work.
That's impressive. Is it a long ride?
It's about 20 minutes. A nice workout.
I should try that. It sounds very healthy.
You should. It saves money on the bus pass.
That is a very good point to consider.
So, are you ready for the big meeting today?
I think so. I prepared my notes last night.
Good for you. I still need to review mine.
You will be fine. You always do a great job.
Thanks, Sarah. You look a bit tired, though.
Yes, I had trouble sleeping last night.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is everything okay?
Oh, it's nothing serious. Just a long week.
I understand completely. I feel the same way.
Well, the weekend is almost here for us.
That's true. Do you have any special plans?
Not really. I just want to relax at home.
That sounds perfect after a busy work week.
What about you? Are you doing anything fun?
I might go hiking if the weather improves.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Where do you go?
There's a nice trail near Green Lake Park.
I have heard of it. Is it difficult?
Not at all. The main path is quite easy.
Maybe I will check it out one day soon.
You should. It has a beautiful view of the city.
Thanks for the good suggestion, Alex.
Of course, we could go together sometime.
That's a nice offer. I would like that.
Great. We can plan it for next weekend then.
Perfect. Let's talk more about it on Monday.
Oh, look. I think our bus is finally here.
Thank goodness. I was starting to feel cold.
Let's get on. Do you want the window seat?
Yes, please. I like to watch the rain.
All right. It's all yours. Have a good day.
You too, Alex. See you at the office.
A rainy morning at the office. Good morning, Sarah. It's a bit rainy today.
Morning, Mark. Yes, I saw. Did you get wet?
Just a little. I bike to work as usual.
Wow, you biked in this weather? That's impressive.
It helps me wake up properly.
I can imagine. I prefer the warm bus on rainy days.
That makes sense. Is that coffee fresh?
Yes, I just made a new pot. Would you like a cup?
Please. I definitely need one this morning.
Here you go. Long night. You look a bit tired.
Thanks. I was just finishing the presentation.
Oh, the one for the 10 o'clock meeting?
That's the one. I hope it is good enough.
I'm sure it is. You always do great work.
I appreciate that. But I feel a bit nervous.
Don't be. Your ideas are always very clear.
Are you really okay with the data slides?
To be honest, slide number 5 was a bit confusing.
I thought so. It has too much text.
Maybe we can use a chart instead of text?
That is a fantastic idea. Why didn't I think of that?
Sometimes a fresh pair of eyes helps.
It really does. Do you have a moment now?
Oh, um,
Thank you so much, Sarah. You're a lifesaver.
it's no problem at all. We are a team.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's find a good chart.
I have some templates we can use. It will be quick.
Perfect. This will make the data much easier to read.
Exactly. A good visual is very powerful.
I feel much better about the meeting now.
I'm glad I could help. See? It was a small issue.
Your feedback is always so direct and helpful.
I believe it's better to be clear and honest.
I agree completely. It saves a lot of time.
So, after this, are you grabbing lunch with the team?
Yes, I plan to. Are you joining us?
I will. I'm looking forward to trying that new cafe.
Me too. I heard they have great sandwiches.
Great. Then let's finish this and have a productive day.
Sounds like a plan. This coffee is excellent, by the way.
I told you. It's the new brand from the store.
I'll have to remember that. It's much better.
It costs a little more, but it is worth it.
A morning coffee chat. Hi, Sarah. Thanks for being on time.
Of course. The rain made me leave early.
Good thinking. It is a bit rainy today.
Yes, it is. Did you get wet biking here?
Just a little. My rain jacket works well.
That's smart. I should get a good one.
You should. It is very useful in this city.
I'll look for one online later. Ready for coffee?
Yes, please. I need my morning coffee.
Me too. What are you having today?
Just a black coffee for me. Simple and strong.
I, I know. I will have a little treat for Monday.
That sounds nice. So, about the new project.
Right? The marketing plan. I have some ideas.
Great. I wanted to hear your thoughts first.
Okay. I think we should focus on social media more.
That is a good point. Which platforms are you thinking of?
Mainly Instagram. And maybe TikTok this time.
TikTok is an interesting choice. Are you sure about it?
I am. It reaches a much younger audience.
That's true. It could be very effective.
Exactly. We need to try new things.
I agree with you. Your ideas are always so creative.
Thanks, Mark. I just try to think differently.
It works. By the way, you seem a little tired today.
Oh, do I? I did not sleep very well last night.
Is everything okay? You can tell me if something is wrong.
It is nothing serious. Just a noisy neighbor.
I understand. That can be very annoying.
It is, but this coffee will definitely help.
I hope so. Your health is important, you know.
Thank you. I appreciate your concern.
Of course, we are a team, after all.
Yes, we are. That's nice to hear.
So, what was the neighbor doing? A party?
No, just very loud music until 2 a.m.
That's terrible. You should talk to them.
Maybe. I don't like confrontation though.
I get it, but you also need your sleep.
You are right. I will think about it.
Okay, let me know if you need any support.
Thank you, Mark. That is kind of you.
No problem. We should head to the office soon.
You are right. Let's finish our drinks.
Okay, this was a very productive chat.
I agree. Thanks for meeting me this morning.
Anytime, Sarah. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
And an unexpected meeting at the supermarket. Sarah, is that you? What a surprise.
Mark, I didn't expect to see you here.
Me neither. It's a small world, right?
It really is. How have you been?
I'm doing well, thanks. Just getting some groceries.
Same here. It's a bit rainy outside.
Yes, I noticed. Did you drive here?
No, I actually biked over.
Oh, you biked in this weather? That's brave.
I hope the rain stops before I leave.
Fingers crossed for you. What are you buying?
Just the usual things. What about you?
I'm planning to make pasta for dinner tonight.
Oh, that sounds delicious. I love pasta.
What kind are you making? Maybe I'll get inspired.
Just a simple tomato sauce with basil.
That's a classic. You can't go wrong with that.
Exactly. It's easy after a long week.
You seem a little tired. Is everything all right?
Oh, I'm fine. I just had a busy week.
I understand that feeling completely. Work was crazy.
Tell me about it. I'm ready for the weekend.
Do you have any exciting plans for it?
Not really. I just want to relax at home.
That sounds perfect. Sometimes you just need to rest.
What about you? Any big plans?
I might go for a long bike ride if it's sunny.
That sounds like a great way to unwind.
It is. It helps me clear my head.
I should try that sometime.
Well, I should probably get my pasta sauce.
Right. And I still need to find some milk.
It was really nice to see you, Sarah.
You too, Mark. It was a nice surprise.
Let's catch up properly soon, okay?
Yes, let's do that. Send me a message.
I will do that. Enjoy your pasta dinner.
Thanks. I hope the rain stops for your ride home.
Thank you. Have a great weekend.
You too. Bye, Mark.